how have you been adding fraction? Which method have you been using? Wow, in this presentation, I'm presenting to you the butterfly method of adding fraction. We have 1 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 3. So as we look at this, we have 2 fractions. They are quarter and then 2 out of 3. So for us to use the butterfly method, we have to consider 2 things. We have the major diagonal and then the minor diagonal. I can call this the major M and then this one the minor N. So as we have this, what we do, we get the entities in the major diagonal, we multiply them. So in here, simply, we are going to have the 1 multiplied by 3 into brackets. And since it is addition, we put the addition sign there. Then we do the same by getting the multiplication of the entities in the main diagonal. So we have 2 multiplied by 4. The whole of it being divided by. So in here, the next one, we get now the multiplication of the denominators. We have now 4 multiplied by 3. So as we simplify this, it means that we are getting 1 multiplied by 3 to give us the 3. Then plus 2 multiplied by 4 to give us the 8. The whole of it divided by the 4 multiplied by 3. It gives 12. Then as we continue summing up the numerators, 3 plus 8, we are getting 11. Then divided by the 12. Implying that the answer to the expression, which is a quarter plus the 2 divided by 3 equals to this. Therefore, this becomes our correct answer for that case.